Mina no Nihongo, Lesson 31, Part 2. First, Kekonshiki, wedding ceremony. Ashita wa Tanaka-san no Kekonshiki desu. Mr. Tanaka's wedding ceremony is tomorrow. Second, Soshiki, funeral. O Soshiki wa Kyokai de ukonawareta. The funeral was conducted at the church. Third, Honsha, head office. Honsha ni tenkin suru koto ni natta. I have been relocated to the head office. Fourth, Shiten, branch office. Atarashi Shiten ga Osaka ni kaiten shimasu. A new branch office will be established in Osaka. Fifth, Kyokai, church. Nichiyobi no asa kyokai ni ikimasu. I go to church on Sunday morning. 6. Daigaku Inn, graduate school. Kare wa Daigaku Inn ni Shingaku Shinai koto ni shita. He decided not to enroll in a graduate school. 7. Dobutsuen, zoo. Raishu no doyobi ni Dobutsuen e ikimasu. I will be going to the zoo next week Saturday. 8th, onsen, hot spring. Konshu matsu wa onsen e ikimasu. I will be going to the hot spring this weekend. 9th, kairi, on the way back returning. Kairi ni gyunyu o katte kite kudasai. Please buy some milk on your way back home. 10th, Oko-san, someone else's child. Maeda-san no Oko-san wa 10歳になりました. Mrs. Maeda's son has turned 10. Grammar point 3. Verb dictionary form verb nai form plus sumori desu. Verb dictionary form sumori desu expresses the speaker's intention to do something. To indicate an intention to avoid something or refrain from doing something, verb nai form sumori desu is used. Example, Kuni e kaete mo Nihongo no benkyou o suzukeru tsumori desu. Even after I return to my country, I intend to study Japanese. Example 2. Ashita kara wa tabako o suwanai tsumori desu. I intend to stop smoking from tomorrow. There is little difference in the meaning between volitional form to omottemasu and volitional form sumori desu, but later sounds are determined. Grammar point 4. Verb dictionary form noun no plus yotei desu. This is a way of stating something one plans to do. Example, Shichigatsu no owari ni doitsu e shucho suru yotei desu. I plan to go to Germany on business trip at the end of July. Example 2. Ryoko wa ishukan gurai no yotei desu. This trip is scheduled to last for 1 week.